going on, guys? Welcome back to the Cade Racecraft YouTube channel. Today, I'm here with my buddy Garrett. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you know that we put 2 screws into the side of the Ford Excursion. And I told you guys, for every person that follows us on TikTok and comments I followed, I'm putting 1 screw in the side of the Excursion. 11,000 of you guys commented, which means we have to put 11,000 screws in this side of the truck. We're headed off to the store right now to get a bucket of screws. Hey guys, we just made it to Home Depot. We're about to go grab the screws right now. All right guys, here we are. We found the drywall screws. This bucket contains 5,952 pieces, so we're gonna snag 2 of these for you guys. Oh man. 25 pounds worth of screws. Actually 50 pounds.
50 pounds, technically, yeah.
50 pounds worth of screws.
Quarter inch.
We're shopping at the Home Depot.
Bingo. We made it back to the shop. We got our 11,000 screws. Time to get drilling, baby. Nice clean wash. Howdy, partner. You made it back to the shop, didn't you?
Yep. Made it back to the old screwing shop. All right, what do we got in here?
Ladies and gentlemen,
All right.
DeWalt, number 2 Phillips.
Back up.
No!
We spray painted the side of the truck so we have an outline for all of the screws. Cade, brakes, crap.
Dude, these gloves, bro. I'm a man. I don't want to freaking wear gloves.
I'm a man. According to my speculation, we're gonna be here for the next 4.5 days.
6 ounces of seared salmon smothered in our seasoned celery sauce, which it comes out to 7.6 ounces of seared salmon.
Yum.
The next day.
Hey guys, this is the next morning. My buddy Garrett and I last night worked on this for 2.5 hours. We are absolutely screwed right now. We need reinforcements. Calling the guys right now.
Hey, Cade, what's up, man? It's the guys here.
We need your help, man. Get over here.
Давайте, let's get to work. Бабушка сказала.
We just got done putting 11,000 screws into the truck. It took 5 guys and 6.5 hours worth of work. We know this is a little bit shorter video this week, but next week we are doing a very destructive modification to this truck. Hint, sunroof. If you like this video, tickle the heck out of the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because we have tons of plans for this truck and you're not gonna wanna miss it.